Hey there, health-conscious folks. It's Leo M from Health Spiffy, and today we're diving into a topic that might make you rethink your bathroom habits. We're talking about why you should stop putting toilet paper on public toilet seats. Yes, you heard me right. So, grab a seat, just not on a toilet seat covered in TP, and let's flush out the facts. Fact 1. First off, let's address the myth that covering public toilet seats with toilet paper provides a barrier against germs. Sure, it might seem like a protective shield, but in reality, it's more like a breeding ground for bacteria. Toilet paper is porous, meaning it can absorb moisture and harbor germs, creating an ideal environment for bacteria to thrive. So, instead of protecting yourself, you might actually be exposing yourself to more germs. Fact 2. Now, let's talk about the actual cleanliness of toilet seats. Contrary to popular belief, public toilet seats are not as germ-infested as you might think. Most public restrooms are cleaned regularly, and toilet seats are designed to be non-porous and easy to sanitize. In fact, studies have shown that other surfaces in public restrooms, like faucet handles and door handles, are far more likely to harbor harmful bacteria. Fact 3. But what about those pesky toilet seat covers you see in some restrooms? Well, it turns out they're not as effective as you might think. Toilet seat covers are often too thin to provide adequate protection against germs, and they can easily tear or shift out of place, leaving you exposed to whatever lurks beneath. So, don't rely on these flimsy covers for your peace of mind. Fact 4. So, if covering toilet seats with toilet paper isn't the solution, what should you do instead? The answer is simple. Practice good hygiene. Before sitting down, give the toilet seat a quick wipe with some toilet paper or a disinfectant wipe if you're really concerned. And always remember to wash your hands thoroughly after using the restroom to minimize the risk of spreading germs. Fact 5. But what about those times when you really can't avoid using a public toilet? Fear not, because there's a better alternative to covering the seat with toilet paper. Squatting. Yes, squatting might require a bit more effort, but it's actually a more hygienic option than sitting directly on the toilet seat. Plus, it's a great way to engage your leg muscles and get in a mini workout while you're at it. Fact 6. Another reason to ditch the toilet paper cover? It's better for the environment. Think about it. Every time you cover a toilet seat with layers of toilet paper, you're contributing to unnecessary waste. Toilet paper production has a significant environmental impact, from deforestation to water usage and chemical pollution. So, by skipping the toilet paper cover, you're doing your part to reduce your carbon footprint. Fact 7. Let's talk about the psychological aspect of using toilet paper covers. Many people use them out of a fear of germs or a desire for cleanliness, but in reality, this fear might be doing more harm than good. Constantly worrying about germs and bacteria can contribute to feelings of anxiety and stress, which can have negative effects on your overall health and well-being. So, instead of obsessing over toilet seat covers, focus on maintaining a healthy immune system and practicing good hygiene habits. Fact 8. Lastly, let's address the elephant in the room: toilet seat etiquette. We've all been there. You walk into a public restroom only to find the toilet seat covered in toilet paper, making it virtually impossible to use. Not only is this wasteful, but it's also inconsiderate to the next person who needs to use the restroom. So, do your fellow bathroom goers a favor and leave the toilet seat as you found it, clean and ready for the next person. And there you have it, folks. Why you should stop putting toilet paper on public toilet seats. From the myth of germ protection to the environmental impact and psychological effects, there are plenty of reasons to reconsider this common bathroom practice. So, the next time you find yourself reaching for that roll of toilet paper, think twice and remember the facts. Until next time, this is Leo M from Health Spiffy, signing off. Stay clean, stay healthy, and remember to flush away those misconceptions.